Custom Keto Diet Review. Millions of people around the world try different methods including workouts at gym, swimming, and weight loss supplements to lose weight and have a better body shape. But many of them do not succeed due to the mistakes they make during the process and following them. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. To begin with, you need to understand that developing a suitable diet is the first step in this direction. If you get this wrong, nothing can work in your favor. Most dietitians and fitness trainers focus on starving people when it comes to losing weight. However, your body will not take it gently for a long time. Once you lose your patience and return to your normal lifestyle, you tend to put on more weight than what you would initially have lost. For this reason, it is essential to choose a diet that is easy in your stomach. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. Most people have the misconception that they have to eat less to lose weight when it comes to losing weight. While this is true to some extent, this is not the complete truth. It is essential to have a calorie deficit to lose weight. But it is more important to understand the way your body processes these calories. The best solution in this regard is to follow a custom keto diet plan designed by experts. This ensures that you will not miss out on your favorite foods even when you want to lose weight. The simple technique used in this diet is that the body is not allowed any carbs, which puts it into a state of ketosis. This forces your body to burn fat effectively to produce glucose required for the body. In this way, you can eat other healthy foods apart from carbs, thereby allowing you to lead a healthy lifestyle without being starved. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. Does Custom Keto Diet work for everyone? The keto diet has been gaining huge popularity across the world as it has produced amazing results. Many sports enthusiasts and celebs have lost weight using this diet plan. Now, you can also follow such a diet plan and lose weight permanently. Remember that a simple diet plan does not suit every person as their diet preferences are different. When you choose a custom keto diet plan, you are more likely to stick to the diet plan as it is customized, keeping in mind your favorite foods and your level of physical activity. Apart from that, your age and other health conditions are also considered before you are given the diet plan. In this way, this simple diet helps you to lose weight effectively in the long run. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. How does a custom keto diet work? You will be taking an 8-week custom meal plan that is designed by experts. The team of fitness trainers, nutritionists, and chefs make sure that they design the plan after analyzing your overall health condition and your choice of foods. This diet plan is not about eating less. It is about eating food in a proper manner by avoiding carbs and healthy alternatives, such as protein, in your diet. This makes your diet enjoyable, and you will be able to stick to your diet for a longer duration. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. You will be able to customize your meal plan as per your personal taste. The Custom Keto Diet plan will provide you with many alternatives for your favorite foods that you want to enjoy during your weight loss journey. Every recipe that is designed for your weight loss program will come with detailed instructions. You can cook this at home even with little or no experience. As the plan comes with a wide range of foods, you will not feel bored with the same kind of diet every day. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. Benefits. Most people who follow regular diets do not understand the impact of insulin on weight loss. This does not allow the body to burn fat effectively. When you follow a keto diet and avoid carbs completely, your insulin levels drop significantly. This boosts the ability of your body to burn fat for a longer duration. This is proved to be better than a low-fat diet that many people follow while losing weight. While following a custom keto diet plan, you will not stay hungry. This is the reason why you will be able to stick to this diet plan for a longer duration when compared to other diets that force you to eat less food during the day. The keto diet is more focused on avoiding carbs and maintaining a decent calorie deficit rather than keeping you hungry. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. The keto diet works even when you are not able to exercise while losing weight. However, it helps you to lose weight easily when you add a simple exercise regime to this diet plan. The keto diet improves good HDL cholesterol in the body, which can reduce various health conditions in the body. As this diet keeps insulin production under control, it is also effective in managing type 2 diabetes. Custom Keto Diet Plan price and money-back guarantee and refund policy. You can get instant access to this plan with just $37. All you need to do is to choose this risk-free plan for 8 weeks. Stick to the diet plan for 60 days and see the difference for yourself. If for any reason, you are not satisfied with the diet plan, you will get 100% money back without any questions. Click the first link below to get Custom Keto Diet for a discounted price now from the official website. Side effects of the Custom Keto Diet. As the diet plan is prepared by a team of nutritionists, chefs, and personal trainers, there is no risk involved in trying this diet. They consider your health condition and diet preferences while finalizing the diet plan. In this way, there are no known side effects of following a keto diet plan. Conclusion: you can try this custom keto diet plan for 2 months and see a lot of difference in the way your body burns fat. The best part about this diet is that the transformation is permanent. Try it for a few weeks to understand how this works for your body. My final recommendation is to pick Custom Keto Diet from its official website in the first link below, follow it up and then come back here again to let us know what you think about it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful content.